This is a microtheme for geography. We're into the rivers and systems where for the last 17 years from 09 to 25, we have close to 25 questions. That's a broad categorization. When you open the PDF, you'll get those questions all listed in one manner, but that's just, like I said, 10% of your efforts. What you have to do next is this. Attempt all these 25 questions in one go, okay? Regardless of your preparation level, attempt it in one go, see what your accuracy is. If it is close to 50 or 60, then we need to do the second level analysis. If it's close to 80%, you're good. Whichever microtheme you're close to 80% right, you're good to go. You don't need to overspend time there. Now, in this question, what I mean by dimension analysis is this. Try to see, broadly speaking, what are the question categories which have very similar sounding dimensions. Like for example, this is a question which is asking about Ganga's tributaries, but you have to arrange it in an east to west fashion. This is a question which is asking about flow of a river in a particular state in a particular direction. Ya to east to west, ya west to east, something like that. This is a question, which of these are tributaries of Brahmaputra, 2016 question, which is an easy one. So a lot of basic questions in rivers and maps are around origin, direction of flow, and tributaries. Now you will start to see some patterns, which I call dimensions, and you can put these dimensions as per your mature understanding, or if you're coming to classes, if you're part of Dominate, you'll be taken through things like this for the important microthemes. And then you start to move over and find what other hidden patterns and dimensions you can find. So this question, now we are dams and lakes cross river, right? So there's a river map, you imagine, and now UPSC is asked about what dams, what lakes, fresh water, saline, etc., etc. can you find as you chart the course. We'll see something similar here as well. Jhelum River passes through Wooler Lake. Krishna River directly feeds Koleru Lake. Meandering of Gandak River formed Kanwar Lake. So now UPSC ke kuch questions you will see are around interlinkages between a river flow and the features which are therein. And so on and so forth, you will find something on this line. Which of them is the artificial lake, right? So broadly speaking, as you give more time to a microtheme and all the questions in one place, you will start finding patterns. Our suggestion is that even if you're doing this exercise alone by yourself, start star marking some of the questions or use your own annotations to pair the right or the similar sounding or the similar dimension